think the biggest challenge that has emerged among a whole array that we've discussed today is that of rising inequality, rising income inequality around the world, and the need to address this in ways which is sustainable from social, economic and political points of view. At the same time, income inequality, of course, provides a major motivation for change and a reason to be thinking much more systematically about these issues. So far, I think a very important insight and theme which has been emerging is around the need to rethink financing and structure of social protection systems, given the importance of informality in the labour market. So informality in terms of people not having full-time work, secure work, the demise of the standard employment contract in developed economies is a theme which I think a number of the discussants have grappled with and is emerging, I think, as an important insight. I think on a couple of fronts I'd like to see results. I think it's a great opportunity for the IMF to be thinking about its new strategy on social protection. If they could be thinking not only in terms of efficiency and expenditure minimisation, but also more broadly in terms of equity, including gender equality objectives, that would be, I think, a major step forward.